Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into the Cuckoo 2L multifunctional electric rice cooker, perfect for anyone looking to make cooking faster, easier, and a whole lot more enjoyable. The reason this rice cooker stands out is not merely for cooking rice alone. In fact, it's a highly versatile 580-watt multicooker that comes packed with 13 different menu presets, enabling you to effortlessly prepare a wide variety of dishes, including but not limited to fluffy rice, hearty grains, comforting soups, creamy porridge, and even tender, slow-cooked meals, all consolidated within a single, convenient device designed to streamline your cooking process, save time, and offer flexibility for diverse culinary needs, whether you're in the mood for a quick meal or a carefully crafted dish. Let's break down some key features. Capacity, perfect for families or meal preps. It serves to 6 people with a full 2L capacity. Preset menus, with 13 cooking modes, there's a setting for just about any meal you want to prepare. The 580-watt power heats up fast, saving time. Just add water, press the rice preset, and enjoy fluffy rice in minutes. Overall, the Cuckoo rice cooker is an excellent choice if you're after convenience, versatility, and consistent cooking results. Price, $6,490. Check out the link in the description to get yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment below. See you next time.